Hey, it's Tom ZEEB with Traction Real Estate Mentors, and I teach people how to get more deals, more profits, and more freedom. And what I want to talk about are the three major things that people screw up completely that knock them out of the business. You make these mistakes, everything goes wrong. The first one is marketing. It's simply having zero marketing. Most people fail because they have absolutely no marketing occurring in their business at all. If you're not putting a line in the water, you're not going to catch any fish. You simply have to, without question, get your marketing going. Too many people are just thinking about it, but not doing it. That's problem number one. Problem number two, I find, is a negotiation problem. People never quite move people to say yes. If you can't push somebody, not push them in a bad way, but push them in a good way. If you can't push them to come to a decision about having them sell their house to you, you'll never get the deal. You have to learn to get them from no to yes, and you've got to push a little bit on that. The third major problem that knocks people out of the business is they don't know what to do if they do get the person to say yes. They don't have the contracts ready, they don't have the process ready, they don't actually know what they're doing, and the reason that hurts them up front is that they lose their confidence at the very beginning. They flat out don't know. And hey, there's a helicopter going by, it's fantastic. Maybe we're going to film in on that later, it'd be good. But look, if you don't get your confidence right from the beginning, you're not confident because you don't know what to do if they actually say yes, that hurts you right at the start and you're dead in the water from the beginning. That's it. Now, did that help you? If that helped you, I'm sure it's going to help others the exact same way. So go ahead and share this video with someone because it'll help them out as well. Don't worry about that helicopter noise. We're going to fly out of here later. Just think that through and share the video. Love to meet more great people just like you. It's Tom ZEEB for Traction Real Estate Mentors. Talk to you later.